Where are the Aran Islands located? If you are planning a trip to Ireland and wondering where the Aran Islands are, you are in for a treat. These islands are a stunning part of the Irish scenery. They are located off the west coast of Ireland, right at the mouth of Galway Bay. This area is often referred to as the Wild West of Ireland, and it is easy to see why. The Aran Islands consist of 3 main islands: Inis Oírr, Meáin, and Inis Oírr. Inis Oírr is the largest of the 3 islands and is a popular destination for visitors. Inis Meáin is the middle island, known for its tranquility and fewer tourists. Inis Oírr is the smallest and closest to the mainland, making it an easy choice for a quick visit. Getting to the Aran Islands is quite straightforward. Ferries operate from several locations along the west coast of Ireland. The most common departure point is Galway City, especially during the tourist season. You can also catch a ferry from Rossaville, which runs year-round and takes about 40 minutes to reach Inis Oírr. Doolin in County Clare offers shorter ferry rides to Inis Oírr and Inis Meáin. For those who prefer to fly, there is a small airport in Connemara that provides short flights to each of the islands. This option is great if you want to save time and enjoy a bird's-eye view of the stunning Irish scenery. The Aran Islands are famous for their dramatic limestone formations. The geology here is primarily karst limestone, similar to the nearby Burren region in County Clare. This unique rock creates a rugged, windswept terrain dotted with dry stone walls and vibrant wildflowers. When you visit, you will experience a slice of traditional Irish culture. The Irish language, known as Gaelic, is widely spoken on the islands. You can enjoy traditional music and breathtaking coastal views that will leave you in awe. Each island has its own distinct charm. Inis Oírr is bustling with tourists and offers various attractions, while Inis Meáin is perfect for those seeking peace and quiet. Inis Oírr, being the smallest, provides a cozy atmosphere and is ideal for a quick getaway. If you plan to visit the Aran Islands, make sure to wear comfortable walking shoes. The terrain can be rugged, and cycling is a popular way to see more of the islands. It is wise to book your ferry or flight in advance, especially during the busy summer months. The Aran Islands are a remarkable destination for anyone traveling in Ireland. Their location at the edge of Europe provides a unique experience filled with stunning views and rich culture. So, pack your bags and get ready to enjoy the beauty of these islands.